Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show the demo and also review this product, Zimmer Aufraumen Power Concentrate for washing utensils in a dishwasher. I bought this product a few months back and I've been using it regularly in my dishwasher. Although I've tried out in all the programs, in this video I'm going to show the use of it in two different programs, the Eco Vario which runs for 1 hour 25 minutes and the Quick program for 29 minutes. So I bought this as a pack of two bottles. So they have not given the quantity of this. They just mentioned as 16.9 ounce, which comes to 500 ml. So I bought these two packs for 270. I think now the cost has increased. You also get in packs of threes and you get 5 liter can. So you can check out the buying link given in the description for more details. Watch the video till the end for a detailed review of this product. So come on, let's see how this works in the two different programs. So now that you have seen the results in two of the programs, I'll share my experience. I bought this product in March and I've been using it in the last 4 5 months. And from my experience, I can say that I most of the times I've got results of say 75 to 80%, and at some times I even got up to 90 95% cleaning, depending on the various factors. So now for the review, let me first talk about the positives. The first and foremost point is that it is biodegradable, which means that it does not contain any harsh chemicals. If at all it has got harsh chemicals, definitely you will get 100% cleaning. So one more plus point of this liquid is it is ideal for not only steel, glass and ceramic, but it also cleans dishwasher safe plastics. So overall it cleans most dishes like any other detergent. So it cleans and rinses like any other detergent, but it does not leave any residue, and it is also non-foamy. It removes odor and gives a nice smell to the dishes as it has got a fragrance. Because it is biodegradable and also not having harmful chemicals, it does not pollute the water bodies, thus helpful to the environment in the long run. Also, one more plus point which everyone will like is that it is very economical as compared to most of the detergents, tablets, or gels. It is the cheapest. Last but not the least is that this product is made in India, though it's a German product. So now coming to the negatives of this product, there aren't many negatives, but there is just one point, that is the cleaning results using this liquid. I have not been getting 100% results with my experience of using it for the past 4 5 months. I have got anywhere between 75 to 90 or sometimes 95% cleaning in any of the programs that I have used. Whenever the load had heavily soiled dishes like tea or milk utensils, they never got 100% cleaned. I had to wash it once again under running water. So one has to remember this point. So my final verdict about this product would be, go for it. If you're worried about chemicals on your dishes and also you care for the environment, I think you should consider using this product. So let me now elaborate. Many of you out there are concerned about the chemicals being used in various detergents. This product is good as it has got no harmful chemicals, but this comes with a price. You have to compromise on cleaning a little bit, especially on those heavily soiled dishes which don't get cleaned. You may have to compromise by way of either washing them before loading in the dishwasher, or after the cycle is finished you can take them out and wash it. But those of you feel this is a hassle doing double work before and after just because you use this liquid, you can use this for your regular dishes, and maybe you can keep the detergent or tablet for heavily soiled load. So that way you need not be fully worried about chemicals being ingested or being left on your dishes. It actually doesn't happen, but many of you out there are worried about it and they keep writing to me. I am just giving a reply to that. So if you use this kind of product, you don't have to be worried of that. You won't get 100% cleaning, that is as per my experience, for which you have to work a bit. So for those vessels you can go for other detergents. So it's up to you. You have to make the choice whether you are worried, whether you are concerned about the environment, whether you are worried about the chemicals in your detergent, or would like to compromise and use this. Don't forget, this is very very economical as compared to many of the detergents and gels and tablets out there, and it is made in India. So finally, if you decide to go for this product, one tip I would like to give is that you can increase the quantity of the liquid, because the bottle says use just 1 or 2 teaspoons for the load. But from my experience, I found that increasing the quantity, times I've used up to 2 tablespoons to get the desired results. So if you increase the quantity, you get still better results. So you have to try it once to decide for yourself. I leave it to you. So I'm just sharing my experience here, and this is my final verdict. Hope you find this video useful. I am trying to make as many videos on dishwashers, detergents, tablets, I remember one comparison is still pending, comparison of various tablets which I promised in one of my short videos. I'll be coming out with it very soon. So those of you find my videos useful and you're benefiting by those videos, I would just request one thing. Please try to support me as always by way of your comments and sharing your experiences. But not just that, but also by buying super thanks so that I can buy many such products and try them out and share my experiences with you all so that you find them beneficial. Hope you liked watching this video. As usual, share your thoughts in the comment section. See you soon in my next video. Till then, it's bye bye from Buona.